Hey guys, this is Ray from defenseattorneynow.com. For us busy criminal defense lawyers, why do only certain attorney websites show in a Google search? And remember what I'm saying, this is pretty much also applicable for, if you utilize Firefox or Bing or one of those other tools, but most part, they all operate the same. So basically, okay, great. Your law practice, your defense practice, you created a beautiful website. You either paid somebody, you did it yourself on Squarespace, www.defenseattorneynow.com or www.thebestdefenseattorney.com. Great. Basically, once your website is up and it's live, Google or Bing, they basically have these tools called crawlers or scrapers. They technically do two separate things, but for our purposes are basically the same. And they basically extract all that data. Basically, Google knows everything about us, and they basically keep all that in their servers. Now, eventually, with enough traffic and interest and an active website, then eventually Google will notify you. You usually receive an email that Google is now indexing your data. Instead of just knowing about your data, they are indexing. And indexing means that now it is discoverable. It means that now Google, at times, at its own discretion, will actually display that as a search result. But you have to get indexed, okay? Now, likewise, in order to, once it's indexed, it doesn't mean it's going to show, but it means that it can show up, okay? Now, in order to get indexed and to actually show up, there's a litany of ways. One of the things is called search engine optimization, which is a whole bunch of different tools that from blogs to using certain formats to connecting your website to live social media, things that can actually get your website indexed, which once again, you'll be informed by an email if you're indexed, and to actually being discovered since you are now indexed. Likewise, there's also individuals or law firms can actually pay for ads. But once again, if you use an ad, they're expensive and you're competing with individuals or other firms with much bigger budgets. And likewise, they don't have as much consumer trust. And I'll explain all this in other videos. And remember, we are not a digital marketing service for attorneys. We are a data acquisition outreach service, but that's not for today. And a lot of this stuff you can do on your own, and we'll show you some other videos on how you can do that without having to necessarily pay a marketing firm to do all this for you. All right, guys, hope this helps. Bye-bye.